Good morning everyone. Today in my English lecture I am going to start it for grade 11th and I am starting with chapter Tut. So before starting it I need to introduce you with the chapter, as this chapter is written by A.R. Williams and it is all about the last heir of the powerful Pharaoh dynasty. Tut, who died when he was a teenager after ruling for only 9 years. He died in a mysterious way, and this chapter is throwing light all over the possible mysteries, the curse, where his tomb lies, his life, and his ultimately death. Here, Egyptians believe that there is life after death, and that is the reason why the pharaohs were buried with wealth and everyday use items. So, this chapter we are starting. In this paragraph, we have some different words. Heir means inheritor or successor. Laden means loaded. Speculated means form a theory without evidence. Tomb means an enclosure to bury the dead. Forensic reconstruction means the process of recreating the face of an individual. Pharaoh means a ruler in ancient Egypt. So, here Tutankhamun, also known as Tut, was a teenager when he died. He was the last successor of his powerful Pharaoh dynasty, which ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid on rest, heavily loaded with gold. His tomb was discovered in 1922, which made the world raise a question about what had happened to him and whether he had been murdered. After almost 80 years, his body was about to undergo a CT scan, which would give new information and clues about his life and death. His face would be recreated with the help of procedure called forensic reconstruction. In this paragraph, we have some different words. Stirred means move or cause to move slightly. Ghostly means array and unnatural. Resting place means grave. Cemetery means a large burial ground. Dark bellied means dark in color. Skirted across means moving quickly. Veiling means to cover. Casket means a small ornamental box. Casket grey means that the grey clouds were like a grey colored casket. Gladed means quite in a continuous motion. Probe means to investigate, and lingering means long lasting. Here, a fast, strange, and unnatural wind was blowing as King Tut's body was taken from his grave, called Valley of the Kings, an ancient Egyptian cemetery. Dark clouds moved quickly across the desert all day long, and later they covered the stars. On January 5, 2005 at 6 pm, King Tut's mummy, which is the world's most famous mummy, was placed in the CT scanner to investigate the mystery behind his death, which had occurred more than 3300 years ago. Here in this paragraph we have some different words. Descendant means moved, cramped means very small, rock cut means made in a rock by cutting it, gazed means to look in surprise or in admiration, murals means a painting or other artwork, gilded means covered with a thin sheet, striking means prominent, whisper means to speak in a low voice, and pondering means think about something carefully. All afternoon, tourists visited the 26 feet deep underground rock cut tomb to pay respect to the king. Many people stuffed into the small tomb and looked in admiration at the murals on the walls of the chamber and took a look at the face of Tut that had been painted with gold. While visitors read the guidebooks in a hushed tone, some stood silently, wondering about his untimely death in his teen years. They might also be wondering if the curse of the Pharaoh, which leads to descent of misfortune upon the person who disturbs him, is true. Here in this paragraph we have some different words. Futile means pointless, hastily means fast, ransacked means raid, antiquity means old, Resurrection means restoration to life. Alter life means life after death, based on the belief that the essential part of an individual's identity continues to the next life after the death of the physical body. As Zahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt, leaned over the body to have a look, he said that the mummy was in a very bad condition because of what the British archaeologist Howard Carter did to it in the 1920s. He discovered King Tut's tomb in 1922 after a long search. The valuable treasures of Tut had been exploited earlier too, but surprisingly they were complete. The treasure found at Tut's grave is the richest till date and has come to be known as the Pharaoh's legend. It has artifacts in the gold which are eternally beautiful and as good as new. Such artifacts still get attention. Tut was buried with things of daily use like the razor made of bronze, games, linen undergarments, and boxes of food and wine which he could use in the next life. Good morning, everyone. Today in my English lecture I am going to start it for grade 11th and I am starting with chapter Tut. So, before starting it I need to introduce you with the chapter, as this chapter is written by A.R. Williams and it is all about the last heir of the powerful Pharaoh dynasty. Tut, who died when he was a teenager after ruling for only 9 years. He died in a mysterious way, and this chapter is throwing light all over the possible mysteries, the curse, where his tomb lies, his life, and his ultimately death. Here, Egyptians believe that there is life after death, and that is the reason why the pharaohs were buried with wealth and everyday use items. So, this chapter we are starting. In this paragraph, we have three different words. Blazing means very hot, buzzed means moved or shifted, chiseled away means to cut something with a chisel. So, here Carter tried to loosen the resins by keeping the body in the hot sun. He kept the mummy in 149 degrees Fahrenheit heat for several hours, but still it remained stuck. He reported that a chisel could be used to cut down the mummy from the limbs and the trunk so that Tut's body could be taken out of the coffin. In this paragraph, we have some different words. Circumvented means find a way around. Thieves would have found a way to tackle the guards and remove the gold from the tomb. Inlaid means a decorative pattern on a surface. Amulet means an ornament or small piece of jewelry. Apron means a protective garment worn over the front of one's clothes. Shets means a close fitting cover. Iconic means something or someone who is a symbol or it represents some other thing. Adornments means ornaments and concealed means hid. According to Carter, he had no choice other than to cut the mummy. He believed that if he had not done that, thieves would have removed the gold from the tomb and would have looted it. During Tut's time, the royal people were very wealthy and they had believed that after death they could take the wealth along with them. For his life after death, he was given precious collars, necklaces, and decorative patterns, bracelets, rings, amulets, ceremonial aprons, sandals, sheds for fingers and toes, and now an iconic inner coffin and a mask. His men removed his head and every joint of his body. After they finished, They reassembled the remains in a wooden box with padding filled with a layer of sand to conceal the damage. It was his new resting place.